everyone and welcome back to DataDesk Pro. Guys, I hope you have been practicing conditional formatting because it is one of the most important Excel tools used in data analytics, reporting, dashboards, and interviews. Guys, in today's lessons, we are moving one step further into advanced conditional formatting. I will show you how to remove conditional formatting from an entire worksheet, how to use data var, color scales, and a powerful bonus feature called filter by color. Guys, these features make your data more visual, professional, and presentation ready. So let's get started. Guys, as you can see, we already practiced conditional formatting in the previous lesson. Before learning something new, I want to show you an important technique. Suppose, suppose you want to practice again without disturbing your original worksheet. Simply right click on the Sheet tab and select Move or Copy. Guys, I want to create duplicate sheet near Jaipur 1. Click Jaipur 1 and check the create a copy option and click OK. Guys, now you have an exact duplicate of the worksheet Jaipur 1 and Jaipur 2. Now I will rename this new sheet as Jaipur 2. Jaipur 2. Now suppose I want to remove all conditional formatting from this sheet. I can press Ctrl plus A, Ctrl plus A to select everything or simply go to conditional formatting. Home tab, go to conditional formatting and clear rules. Then select clear rules from entire sheet. And guys, just like that, all conditional formatting is removed. This is extremely useful because during practice you can repeatedly apply and remove formatting without recreating your data. Now let's learn data bar. I will select the sales column. Then I will go to conditional formatting and choose data bars. Select a color. And guys, look carefully. The larger the number, the longer the bar. The smaller the number, the shorter the bar. Guys, this act this instantly shows performance level without even reading the numbers. This is one of the faster way to visualize data. Now let me show you something even more powerful. I will go to conditional formatting then manage rule. And click edit rule. Guys, here you will find an option called show bar only. I will check this option and click OK and again OK. Now look at this. Now look at the result. The numbers disappears and only the visual bars remains. Guys, this create a mini charts directly inside your Excel cells. You can immediately identify high performing and low performing values. This technique is commonly used in dashboards and executive reports. Now let's move to color scales. First, I will clear the acceptance rule. Select the sales column. Again, go to conditional formatting and select clear rules and clear rule from selected cell. Again, go to conditional formatting. Guys, now I will choose color scale. Guys, see the result. Excel automatically applies color based on value range, but we can customize it further. Select sales column, go to conditional formatting and manage rule and click edit rule. Guys, here I can define my own ranges. For example, select type numbers, minimum value 20,000, midpoint value 50,000, and maximum value 1 lakh. And choose color, maximum value green, light green shade, and minimum red, and click OK and apply. Guys, after applying these settings, Excel colors the data according to the ranges we specified. Higher value appear greener, middle value show lighter shades, and lower value appear in different colors. This makes trend analysis extremely easy. Within seconds, management can understand where performance is strong and where improvement is needed. Now let me give you a bonus tips. Guys, DataDesk Pro is always known for bonus learning. Select the cell and go to Data tab and click Filter. Guys, now the filter drop down appears. Click the filter arrow and choose filter by color. Guys, if I select green, Excel will show only high performing record. If I select red, Excel will show only low performing record. Guys, imagine how useful this can be in sales analysis and employee performance tracking. inventory management, and reporting. Instead of manually searching data, Excel instantly filters record based on color. This saves a hug amount of time. Finally, you can clear finally you can clear filter from. Now display all record again. So guys, in today's lesson, we learned how to duplicate worksheet for practice, how to remove conditional formatting from an entire worksheet, how to use data bars, how to create visual only data bars, how to apply color scales, how to customize color scales range, and how to use filter by color for faster analysis. Guys, these are professional level Excel techniques that can make your report stand out and help you impress managers, clients, and interviewers. Now it's your turn. Practice these techniques on your own data and see the differences. If you learned something valuable today, please hit the like button, subscribe to DataDesk Pro, and share this video with your friends and colleagues. Also, let me know in the comment which features you found most useful: data bars, color scales, or filter by color. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next lessons with even more advanced Excel skills. Until then, keep learning, keep practicing, and keep growing. Thank you and take care.